Alright, this is another great question because it's deceptive. You see all these percentages here and you think that the question is talking about profit percent, but it's not. These are actually just normal percentages. There's no profit percent at all in this question. So let's read it. It says in a certain store, the profit is 320% of the cost. If the cost increases by 20%, 25%, but the selling price remains constant, approximately what percentage of the selling price is the profit? So let's read the first part again first. It says the profit is 320% of the cost. So what is profit? Profit is selling price minus cost price, and this is given as 320% of the cost. So you should just write this as 320 by 100 into C. You shouldn't think of profit percent here because there is no profit percent mentioned. You should read the question fast and get confused. This is talking about simple profit. Profit is 320% of the cost. So now you have this definition. S minus C is 320%, 320 by 100 into C. So you can actually simplify this to say S is equal to 420 by 100 of C into C. So this is now useful information. So S is 420 by 100 into C. Now look at the second part. It says if the cost increases by 25% but the selling price remains constant. So now what is the new profit? P new. Selling price remains the same, S. The cost is now 25% more. So it is C into 100 plus 25 by 100. So it is equal to S minus 125 C by 100. Correct? So now this is the P new. They are asking of what percentage of the selling price is the profit. So they are asking what is P new by S into 100. This is what they are asking. There is no profit percent at all being asked here. So all you have to do is replace this by this expression, replace S by this and simplify. You've got the answer. And also they're asking approximately, so it will be even simpler. Let's just do that very quickly. So P new is S, and S is 420 by C by 420 into C by 100. So I'm going to write that 420 C by 100 minus 125 C by 100 divided by 420 C by 100. This will just simplify like this. Cancel, cancel. 420 minus 125, that's 295 by 420. This whole thing was multiplied by 100. So this is also into 100. Now they want us to calculate approximately. Look at your choices. You have 70%, 80%, 90%, none of the above. So 295 by 420, this is like almost 300 by 420. If it was 300 by 400, that would have been 75%. But it is 300 by 420 instead of 400, right? 300 by 400, this would have been 75%. So this has to be less than 75% because the denominator is higher than 400. So that means your answer is going to be A, 70%.